Hey guys, today we're going to be playing Guess That Slime Challenge, and my cousins don't want to play with me, so it's going to be me.
No, it's not.
So you're going to give me the slimes?
It's going to be you too.
Yeah, you're going to give me the slimes the first round, and then it's going to be your turn, okay? Okay, I'm closing my eyes. So this is the one I got. It's the name, I don't know what it is. It's one of my sticky ones. I have a lot of sticky ones. I forget the one what it's called. It's either Emoji Lover or Emoji Lover. Let me see the cat. Yes, see, it is right. Ow, that was sticky.
Yes. We're playing Guess That Slime, so it's my turn. I don't know why I give you a smaller one.
Okay, close your eyes. It's sticky.
And so it's not big. So is it? Well, I know it's blue. It's blue.
Which one?
Which blue is it? It's not the tall one. Where is it?
It's sticky. So
Can you put it back in the container?
I'll hold it for you.
Okay. Some here.
Okay, what do you think it is?
I don't know.
It's my blue shake one.
Ow! Blue shake.
Blue shake.
Okay. Blue shake. Here, take this one for me.
How did you know it was a blue one?
Because I memorized. Because when we go downstairs, I remember them.
But this one has the same texture as this one because it's the same slime.
Are they the same names?
Yeah.
Wait,
no. Okay, now it's my turn.
It's my cousin's turn again.
Okay.
Ready? Okay.
Wait.
Our baby turned so small.
Huh? I wasn't looking.
You want to go see that?
Yeah. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Daddy, what is this called? Don't read it out loud.
I don't know. Thanks.
Do you remember all the names?
Where you at?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Close your eyes.
Okay, please.
Guess
Smart
that
ass,
slime.
don't tell me. Where?
It's one of the little ones.
And you can't.
My raspberry one. It says raspberry slush. Yes, I got it right. This is this one.
Raspberry slushy.
It has raspberry set in it.
Really?
It doesn't smell like it because
Yes.
the Tide made it different. Okay,
Because
close your
you're
eyes.
giving me vague answers.
Guys, this is the one I'm going to give him. It's called...
Move.
Do you know what they're all called?
No.
Yeah.
Give me something.
Make sure it was okay.
You looked at it.
I can't tell what kind it is.
Ew, what's in it?
I don't. You put different colored slimes. Remember?
Nuh-uh, that's icy wrapper.
Icy wrapper. I didn't do it.
Michael,
Not me. Yeah, it's your thing.
why did you look at it?
I don't know what kind it is.
It's birthday cake. Now I'm gonna give you a different.
Wait, birthday cake?
Yeah, that's what it's called.
Birthday cake? That's what you mean?
No, it's slime, but I call it birthday cake because it has glitter and beads in it.
And now
close your
all
eyes.
the
I'm not-
slime. Me?
Close your eyes.
Me? I want to. Fine. We have a new contestant.
Why do you keep looking?
I'm not. It's Michael's turn. He said he wants to. I'm not even looking.
Okay, I'm gonna give him. I can't give him because he doesn't know the names. It's your turn.
Fine.
Michael, you can give the slimes to him. Which one do you want to pick for him? Turn around. Which one you gonna give it?
I don't even know what you just said. I'm hugging my
Different one. Pick a different one.
No, you're not. I even heard it.
Okay, we'll go and give him a little bit. Ready? Don't look at the slime.
Put it down on the table.
It is on the table.
I know it has beads in it. So it's not this one.
Why did you what?
I can't. I'm not looking. I'm trying to feel if this what the how big the container is.
That's a cheat.
This is one.
Dog.
Did I look at birthday cake again?
No.
Oh. So what is it? It's blue? Can you get this on my hand? It's blue, right?
No.
Yes,
No,
yes.
it's not. It's not blue.
What? Can you get it off my hand?
Huh?
No, it's not.
It might be poop.
Yeah, it might. Can you get it off my hand?
Okay. Guess it.
I can't tell. I don't know what the names are.
There's raspberry slushy, blue shake.
Blue shake.
No.
Or something.
Blue shake is a big one. This is a tiny one.
Wait, what? Wait, it's a blue.
And then there's clear sea, and then birthday cake.
Clear sea.
No. You give up. You have to give up. It was this one. It was birthday cake, but then we switched it.
No.
Okay, now it's my turn. Michael, you have to pick our slimes for us.
Okay. So can we use any kind?
Yeah. Okay. Wait, I have another one.
Oh. Then change it, right?
I don't know where it went.
Close your eyes. Okay. You're looking. Yeah, I opened.
I'm not looking at the slime.
Ready? How much should I give you?
If it's a big one, then don't give me a lot.
You go for it.
Or you can give me the whole thing if you want.
Okay, fine. Give me. Just drop it. Drop it off. Drop it off.
What happened?
Nothing.
I'm gonna close my eyes.
Nothing happened.
Michael.
What kind is it? What's the kind? Get it off my hand!
This is big, so birthday cake.
Yeah.
You guys didn't really do a good job.
Okay, we tried. We did do what we do. Look what we do.
No.
Fine. Whose turn is it?
Fine. Put it away.
No, you!
Don't get on her carpet.
I didn't get it
If
on.
he got it on her carpet, he would be deep.
Can you get this off my hand?
Yeah, clean it up, because Mommy's going to be here in 1 minute.
Me too!
Did you hear me?
Clean up, why?
Because Mommy's going to be here in 1 minute.
1 minute though.
Yes.
How long? Let me tell. 1 minute. I'm gonna wait. No, the slime on it. Let me watch it.
No, wait. Let me see your hands. Put your hands down. Okay, go wash the rest.
What?
Go wash your hands quickly. Mommy's going to be here any minute.
You said 1.
Michael, go clean your hands.
3:22, 1 minute up.
So, hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Wait, let me be on the end too. Let me be in the end.
Let's do one last slime. For Mark. No, for Michael. Wait, no. They'll stick to him. Okay, Mark. We're going to put this away. Okay, this is the grand finale.
Yep.
I'm going to take them with me.
Where?
I'm going to go do something.
Wait.
Hey guys, I have a different slime. I'm just going to try to find it, but I can't find it. I'm going to try to find it.
Give my mom a kiss.
She's here?
Yes, give mommy a kiss. My mom a kiss.
But... Hope you guys enjoyed the
Go
video.